Hello, Nikhil, Harsha, Mahati, Anagha. How are you? Are you all right? Oh, my little hearts. Are you all right? Okay, you my little heart. What's this period? Yes, it's English period. What's today, Nikhil and Harsha? Yes, it's a Tuesday. Yes, you said well. What's this month? December. Yes, I said well. Let's get started. I did well. So what's the title of our lesson, you little horse? Yes, little horse. That's the title of our lesson. Let's get started. Here, see, there are reels, no? There is a reel here, there, here. They're all reels, no? Reels means narrow channels of water. Water is flowing through these reels, no? What do we call them? ఏమంటాం వీటిని చిన్న కాలువలు కదా? We call them rills. Yes. We go for the next picture. See here, it rained. The day it rained, so water collected here now on the ground. See, water collected here. So what do we call such collected water? Puddles. Water collected here and form puddles. What do we call them? Puddles. Yes. When do we see such puddles, Nikhil and Harsha? See, there's a puddle in a round area, no? In a circular area. Water collected and form a puddle. Yes. When it rains, we find such puddles. Yes. Now, have you understood what's the puddle? What's the rill? Yes. When do we see such puddles and rills, Nikhil and Harsha? ఎప్పుడు చూస్తాము? Yes, when it rains. Okay, let's go for the next picture. See, it rained, water collected here. Look at the boy. He's playing with water, no? He's jumping in and out and playing with water. Look at the water. He's splashing water. Water is splashing on his face. Water is splashing on his body, no? Water is falling on his body. What do we call such thing? Splash. What do we call it? Splash. అలా చింపిస్తుంది కదా. So water is splashing on his body. Yes, there is a splashing. Have you understood? What's a splash? Yes. Look at the boy. Look at the water. How is the water splashing on the boy? Yes. Let's go for the next thing. You see the lesson. What's the title of the lesson? Little Hearts. No? Firstly, I read it out. I listen to me. Little Hearts. It was a rainy Sunday. There were rills everywhere in the village. There was a large puddle across the street. And at this puddle, two girls from class 6th met each other. Met. One girl was older than the other. Their mothers dressed them in new clothes, as there was a village festival. The little girl was wearing a green skirt and the older a pink skirt. They began to play. The little girl started to go into the puddle with her shoes on. Don't go, Malasha. Your mother will scold you. Let's remove our shoes and play, said the older girl. The girls took off their shoes, raised their skirts, and started walking in the puddle. It's deep, Akulka. I'm afraid, said Malasha. Don't be afraid. It will not be any deeper, said Akulka. Before Akulka completed her words, completed, noun form, completion. Malasha plumped her foot into the water. The muddy water splashed and fell not only on Akulka's new dress, but also on her face. Seeing mud spots on her dress, Akulka grew angry with Malasha. Grow. She scolded her, ran after her, and wanted to strike her. Malasha was frightened. Immediately she jumped out of the puddle and ran home. Akhilka's mother passed by. She saw her daughter's dress soiled. "Why did you get yourself so dirty?" she asked. "Malasha has purposely splashed it on me," said Akhilka. Akhilka's mother caught Malasha and gave a slap on her face. "Catch, caught, caught." Malasha began to howl, and her mother ran out of the house. "Run, run, run." "Why did you slap my daughter?" She began to scold her neighbor. Soon it turned to be a big quarrel. The men also joined the scene. One man pushed the other, and a fight began. Began. Akhilka's grandmother tried to separate them. They paid no attention to her. Separate into join. Attention into inattention. While the neighbors were busy with their fighting, Akhilka wiped off her dress and went back to the puddle. She took a pebble and scratched the ground. That's the lesson. Nikhil, look at the girls. They're little hearts. No? The writer called them little hearts. What's that day, Nikhil? Yes, it was Sunday. And it was a rainy season. It rained. It rained. It was Sunday. It rained. So what happened there? Water formed on the ground. Em form ayyayi ground mida. Yes. Look at the picture. Puddle is formed. No? Look at the picture. A puddle formed. Rills formed. Yes. So it rained. It was Sunday. Puddles are formed. Rills are formed. Girls felt very happy. Why? Enduku? There was a lot of water was collected in the puddle. They formed reels, they can play well. That was a holiday also. But the girls were in new clothes. Look at them, Nikhil. Why? Why are they in new clothes? Because it was a festival day for them. Andike, they're in new clothes. Do you know their names, Nikhil? See, this green skirt girl is called Malasha. She is the younger girl. This pink skirt girl is called Akhilka. She is the older girl. Yes, their children, the little horse. They saw the puddle. Immediately they turned playful. They started playing. They were about to walk into the puddle with their shoes on. But Akhilka is a sensible girl. Kastu buddhunnamai kada. She said to Malasha, "Malasha, don't walk into the puddle with your shoes on." What happens when we walk in the puddle with our shoes on? Emutundi, they get spoiled. Then what happens? Emutundi, mother will scold you. Immediately, Malasha took off her shoes. Akhilka also took off her shoes and held them in their hands. Then what did they do? See, they raised their skirts, no? They raised their skirts and entering the puddle. But Malasha, the younger girl, got afraid. "Akhilka, it seems to be deeper. I'm afraid," she said. "No, it will not be any deeper, Malasha. Don't get afraid." Ani, who said, "Evaru chepparu?" Akhilka said. Malasha plumped into the water. Ilaga stepped into the water with the force, plumped into the water. Water splashed on Akhilka's new dress. Water splashed on Akhilka's face and body. and this water stained her clothes, spoiled her clothes. Immediately Akulka got angry. Akulka scolded her. Akulka got angry and scolded her and ran after her. Enduko? To strike her. She got angry, scolded her and ran after her. Deniki? To strike her. Malasha got frightened. Papam bhaypadindi. Jumped out of the water and ran home. She ran home. Then what happened? Akulka's mother passed that way. Looked at Akulka. Akulka, why did you spoil your dress? Why did you spoil your clothes? Why did you get yourself so dirty? She asked. I did nothing, Ma. Even చెప్పింది? I did nothing. Malasha purposely splashed water on my clothes and spoiled my clothes. See, water splashed on her clothes. Immediately, what was the reaction of Akulka's mother? How did Akulka's mother feel? Ela feel indamma? She got angry. Akulka's mother got angry. And what did she do? ఏం చేసింది వెంటనే? She found Malasha. She caught hold of Malasha and gave a slap on her face. Slap on her face. She gave a slap on her face. Immediately, little girl, little hot Malasha, what she do? Em chesindi? Howled like anything. Shouted. With her howling, her mother came out of the house. అంతవరకు ఎక్కడున్నది వాళ్ళమ్మ? Inside the house. With her howling, వాడు గట్టిగా వచ్చేవరికి her mother came out of the house. She saw it. She saw her daughter being slapped. Immediately scolded Akulka's mother. Why did you slap my daughter? She questioned. She scolded Akulka's mother. She shouted, she scolded, no? And slowly quarrel began. Started quarreling. They started quarreling. They started fighting with each other. Meanwhile, what happened? Men entered into the scene. Akulka's father entered into the scene. Malasha's father entered into the scene. They pushed each other, pulled each other, pushed, pulled, pulled. Yes, now fighting is going on among the elders, among the parents. Then what about these little hearts? వీళ్ళు ఏం చేశారు? I see. Akulka came out of her home. Look at the next picture. You can see Akulka. Yes, here is Akulka. No? Look at. So as to let the water off into the street, saying this, Malasha came with a chip to help her. The fight was going on. The girls made a long reel. The old man was still trying to separate the fighting crowd. Water started flowing down the reel. The girl put some pieces of paper on water. They ran along the reel laughing and jumping in joy. They ran straight into the crowd. The old man saw them and said, "See, saw cinema," and said to all of them, "Shame on you men, you are fighting for these two girls. See, they have forgotten it. Forgotten. They are playing nicely together. They are wiser than you." The men looked at the girls and felt ashamed. Then they laughed at themselves and left the place. So what happened here, Nikhil? Even ikkada, see, this pink skirt girl, Akulka, came out of her house, cleaned her clothes and came out of her house. She took a pebble. Pebble means a small stone. She took a pebble. Pebble means a small stone. Scratched on the ground. She scratched on the ground. Formed a rill. Em formindi. A rill was formed. Went this puddle water entered into the rill. Meanwhile, Malasha also entered. Malasha also joined her. How did Malasha come? Malasha ela vachindi. She came out with a stick. She came out with a stick. She helped her. They formed a rill. They let the puddle water flow into the rill. No? They two together form a rill. Now puddle water is flowing into the rill. Immediately what they do? Em chesaru? They formed paper boats. What they do? Form paper boats, no? Paper boats. They form paper boats and put them, these paper boats, ma. They form paper boats, put them in the water. Here, they formed paper boats, put them in the water and play. There. What's the thing with their parents? వాళ్ళు చేస్తున్నారు? They are fighting. They are pushing, pulling, scolding, shouting. Papam. Look at Akulka's grandma. ఆవిడని చూడు నీకు. She's trying to separate them, no? She's trying to separate them. A gentle woman. A peace-loving woman. No? Just for peace. She tried to stop the quarrel. She tried to stop them from fighting. No? She tried to separate them. But could she? Chesinda? No, she couldn't. A weak woman, no? They're young people. Grandma is an old woman. A weak woman. Could not separate them. Okay, here what the thing with the girls? వీళ్ళేం చేస్తున్నారు? They took paper boats, put them in the water and laughing, jumping and running after the paper pieces. No? They're running after the pieces of paper and ran into the crowd. They are fighting. These two girls are playing. They're fighting. The two girls are playing. See how different they are. Andike we call these girls little hearts. No? They quarrel. Little girls also quarrel. Immediately what happened? Akulka forgave Malasha. No? Pardoned her. She forgave her and joined the play. They two together played. No? Look at the parents. For these girls, they started quarrel. No? మరి వీళ్ళేం చేస్తున్నారు? They forgot about it. They forgot about their quarrel and playing, jumping, running after the pieces of paper and they ran into the crowd. ఎక్కడికి వెళ్ళారు? They ran straight into the crowd. The old woman saw them, shouted at these people, "Oh, look, men, shame on you. Shame on you. We are fighting for these girls. Look at the girls. అమ్మాయిలు చూడండి. They've forgotten it. They forgot. They forgot about their quarrel. They're playing. They're wiser than you. You are not any. You are not any wiser. You are not any wiser. You are not any clever. Girls are wiser than you. They are cleverer. They are wiser than you. She shouted at them. ఇప్పుడు వాళ్ళు ఏం చేశారు పేరెంట్స్? Look at the girls. Yes, they are playing. Immediately they too forgot about their fighting. They forgot about their quarrel. Now for the girls, they ended their quarrel. They laughed at each other and left the place. So for the girls, they started the quarrel. వాళ్ళ కోసమే కదా they started the quarrel. And for the girls, they stopped the quarrel. So children are everything for the parents kada. They are everything. They are their world. వాళ్ళ కోసమే they do quarrels. వాళ్ళ కోసమే what do? They leave quarrels. They stop quarreling. No? So children are everything for them. That's why we call them little hearts. అందుకే ఏమని చెబుతాం? We call them little hearts. That's the thing. Yes. They forgot about their quarrels. Nikhil, Eto should forgot such bad things. If you quarrel anytime with Harsha, you forgive him and you forget about it. Again, you should try to make friends with Harsha, no? Yes. Learn from these two girls. Learn from these little hearts. You two are little hearts. You two will do the same, I'm sure. Okay. That's the thing. We go for the next thing. Look. So first question. How were the girls dressed, Nikhil? Ela unnaru vallu? They were dressed in new clothes, kada? Where did the two girls want to play? Ekkada? At the puddle, amma. The two girls wanted to play at the puddle. What made Akulka angry, amma? Malasha splashed water, muddy water on her clothes. Andike she got angry. Who tried to stop the quarrel? Evarama, who tried to stop the quarrel? Grandma tried to stop the quarrel. How did the quarrel end? The little girls forgot about their quarrel. They started playing. No? So their friendship, their playing ended their quarrel. Look at this, Amma. Don't go. Akulka wanted her not to. ఏం చెప్పింది? Yes. Not to get their shoes spoiled అని చెప్పింది. Second one. Let's remove our shoes and play. It shows that Akulka was afraid of her parents, no? Third one. Don't be afraid, said Akulka. ఎందుకు చెప్పింది అలాగా? To give confidence to Malasha. Go for the next thing. Next, Akulka's mother gave slap on Malasha's face kada. Because ఎందుకు కొట్టింది? She made her daughter's dress dirty kada. Fifth one. The men also joined the scene. Here scene refers to scene and ఏంటమ్మా? Quarrel. See, here 8 sentences are there. But they're not in order, amma. Put them in order. Look at them and put them in order. Come to the vocabulary, amma. Their mothers dressed them in new clothes, kada. Here, one word is odd, ma. Encircle it. Cruel is the odd one, amma. They began to play in the puddle. Serious is the odd word. Third one. One man pushed the other and a fight had begun. Peaceful is the odd word, ma. The older woman tried to stop the quarrel. What's the odd thing here? Threatening. Then fifth one, selfish. Sixth one, innocent. These are the odd words. Go for the next thing. See here. Look at the passage and fill in the blanks. No? Second one, soiled, puddle, jumped, wipe off, happily, little, muddy. So there was a puddle across the street. A dog was passing by it. He stopped and looked in it where there was a bird flying in the sky. The foolish dog suddenly ఇంచేసింది, jumped into the puddle. Poor thing. వెంటనే he became soiled. కదా? Soiled means got dirty. Eyes were filled with dirty water. What should we do then? ఏం చేయాలమ్మా? A little girl fetched a bucket of water. ఎందుకు తెచ్చింది? To wipe off, అంటే టు క్లీన్ చేయడానికి తెచ్చింది, the mud stains of the dog. The dog looked at the girl and jumped to his feet. ఇలాగా హ్యాపీలీ. ఇక్కడ చూడమ్మా, రైట్ ఆపోజిట్స్. gave into, received. Second one అమ్మా, began into, ended. Third one, scold into, bless. Scolded అని V2 ఉంటే blessed అని పెట్టాలమ్మా. Scolded అంటే bless అంతే. Next, what's the fourth one? Big. Big into small. Joined. Joined into separated. Next, pushed. Pushed into pulled. Separate into joined. Attention into inattention. That's the thing. So here we have to write opposite sum. Go for the next thing. See, I took this from the previous chapter. This is the link puzzle. A day when our school is closed. What do we call that day? Holiday. What are the last three letters? D-A-Y. So, which word starts with D-A-Y? Daycare. Daycare. Next, A-R-E. Which word starts with A-R-E? Arena. Stadium, no? Call it arena. The enclosed area for sports or entertainment. Enclosed area even pilavali. Arena. E-N-A. So, able. Enable. B-L-E. Which word forms? Bless. Next, with I-N-G. Which word forms? Ingest. Digest. Ingestion. Take in food. Ingest means take in food. Then with the EST, estimate, calculation, estimate. And last ATE means 8. That's the thing. Nikhil, Harsha, have you understood? Ardhamainda? Do you know what are reels? What's puddle? Who are little hearts? What did the little girls do? Who are they? Evarallu? They are friends, no? Yes. For them, parents started quarrel, and for them, parents ended their quarrel. Kada? Pillala kosam potladaru, and pillala kosam they stopped quarrel. Kada? So, children are everything. You are everything for us. You are our world. So, we do everything for you. Meekosame kada memanta chesidi. You are our little hearts. As Nikhil, Harsha, Mahati, Anagha, you are our little hearts. Thank you for watching.